How's it going, everybody? Thanks for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect. We have a fully loaded 2015 Audi Q7 Prestige 3.0 supercharged. We just serviced it here at our repair shop. One of our favorite engines Audi made. Really solid. This car is in 108,000 miles. It's in great shape inside and out. There's just one little scratch here on the rear door, which I'll point out right there. Besides that, exterior is in great shape. So it's a Prestige, so it's fully loaded. Leather, front camera, back camera, cooled seats, heated seats, panoramic roof, third row, just so really nice for families. Has really nice Nitto tires on it, so somebody put some Nittos on there. Grapplers. As you can see here, interior is in great shape. Big panel roof. Third row. This car pretty much has every feature, blind spot assist, that you'll get in a car 10 years old newer for a bargain of the deal. So 108,000 miles, which on this 3.0 motor is nothing. Check it out here. If you're interested, give us a shout, 228-438-2056. You can call us or text us. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you know somebody who's interested, definitely share them the link. And if you need any repairs, you have an Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, other foreign or domestic luxury vehicle, definitely give us a holler for our repair shop. And thanks for checking out this video.